In today's world, we rely heavily on electronic devices like smartphones, especially for communication, navigation, and emergencies. But what happens when the battery runs out and there is no electricity around? Many people face this problem during outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or long-distance travel.
Farah, I think we're lost.
Oh no, what should we do?
I think we should check Google Maps.
Oh, okay. Oh no, my phone ran out of battery. Even worse, in disaster situations such as floods or power outage, there may be no way to recharge devices. Oh no, it's already occupied.
Hey, I cannot charge my phone.
To overcome this challenge, we developed the Survival Power Bank, a smart modular solution that works with nature, not against it. This innovative device harnesses clean, renewable energy sources like sunlight, wind, water flow, and manual efforts to provide power in any situation, no matter how remote or difficult. Users can adapt to different environments without relying on conventional electricity.
Here is our detailed sketch of the Survival Power Bank. This innovation allows users to generate electricity from multiple renewable sources. Here's how it works. The power bank supports 4 types of energy sources. A built-in solar panel. It charges the power bank when exposed to sunlight. A detachable hand crank generator. It's used when no other energy sources are available. Example, at night, indoors, or cloudy days. The user manually turns the crank to generate electricity. Thirdly, a detachable wind turbine. It's designed with foldable blades. It can be connected to the input port and positioned facing the wind. Lastly, a detachable water turbine. It can be placed in shallow flowing water like a stream or small river. The flowing water turns the turbine to produce electricity. Only one accessory is used at a time. Depending on environmental conditions, when not in use, the accessories can be safely stored.
The Survival Power Bank is built using affordable recycled components. Here is the list of components. Hand crank generator connection, 20 ringgit. Mini fan blades or a small fan for wind energy, 5 ringgit. Mini water turbine generator, 18 ringgit. And a 6-volt 3-watt solar panel for daytime charging, 15 ringgit. All these components are recycled items, making this innovation eco-friendly.